Hey guys, Mr.III here, and today I'm going to review these LED reverse lights from Ningle. So, opening the little box, you get two reverse lights. And today we're going to be installing them into a 2010 Subaru Legacy. So, cracking open the little baggie. Get a air-free LED light. It's supposed to be 6,000K, and lumens it's supposed to be about 1,000 each bulb, so 2,000 altogether. On this light right here, there is 44 SMD chips, so that's a lot. It does have like a little projector lens right on the top, so then light will be evenly distributed. Wattage for this bulb is about 4.2 watts, and the dimensions are 6.5 inches by 1.97 inches. Just a nice small bulb. I'm gonna bring it a little closer. Let's see. So yeah, with this artificial lighting, and it's pretty dark out here, and also you can tell, I don't know if you can see, it's starting to rain, which will probably turn into some snow, but it's cold. So installation for this is very easy because compared to my CR-V, which you have to take off the whole taillight housing and then pop it in that way, you actually have like a small compartment, which I can even just feel probably without even looking. Yep, right there. Take it off. Made in Japan. I'll get the camera angle this way and get you a different view. Alright, had a little help from this guy over here. Gonna loosen a little, because I could not get the churn with my fingers. Because, to be honest, I think they're frozen. But we'll pull out the halogen bulb there. I already put the other side in. Let's see. Oops, this guy come out. And double check that the polarity is correct here. Place like that. I'm gonna put the car in reverse and we'll see if it lights up. Alright, it's alive. So that means I got it the right way. Now we're just gonna go put them in. Put it back the same way, give it a little churn, check out the beam pattern, and see if we like them or not. Alright, that's just with the parking lights on. And reverse lights are gonna come on right now. So that's the center spot. Whoops. That's the type of beam pattern the reverse lights do. And as you can see, that's how they look. Alright, and here they go. Oh wow. There you go, a nice white bright pattern. Step to the side like I did before. And that's what they put out. These are the guys that'll probably stay in there, because I don't know if anyone will top that. Side view, or another front back view, and yeah, because you can see it's lighting up here the pavement pretty nicely, and that's the pattern. No one's gonna not see you when you put your reverse lights on for sure. But yeah, it's safety that way. And whoop, if I can re-zoom in, focus, there we go. Alright, well, that's them for you. If you guys are interested, I'll probably put a product link and the seller's information and stuff if you want one. And thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button. I'm gonna call it a night here because it truly is dark. Oh, well, yeah. Well, actually, the camera picks up pretty nicely. There we go. All right. You guys can see my neighbors around there. Perfect. All right, good night, y'all.